In this video, we are going to look at how to use the green screen effect in iMovie. Green screen is great when you are trying to put a video together that has a character or different people in a location that maybe you can't get to for filming. So to do this, the first thing you need is a background of some sort. The background can be just a static image or it can be a video clip. So I'm going to use this picture of the beach for my background for now. I'm going to drag it down to my timeline. I'm going to make this a little bit longer for my video purposes right now. And then you'll need a video clip of you or your students or whatever characters you're going to use in your video in front of a green background. So you'll see I filmed this owl in front of a green background. And I'm going to drag it down to my timeline on top of my background. So I'm going to drag it so it's above it. Okay. Once I've done that, right now it's got the cutaway option right here. I need to change this to green/blue screen. It'll think a little bit, and now you'll notice that when I press play, there's my owl, and he's in front of the beach, and he seems to be enjoying himself. So you can do this with any sort of, like I said, moving background. So if you have a video clip of something, you can put your character or person in front of that background, whatever you want to do. The only thing is you just have to make sure that you're filming someone with a green background. It's very important to make sure that the person is not wearing any green, because then whatever spots on the clothing are green will show through also.